Welcome! If you want to activate Google Assistant option into your Honor 8, first step, need to check into Play Store. Maybe your Google application need to updating. So click here, choose My Apps and Games, and here got installed application. So find your Google application, click. I'm already update this application, so if you're not, click updating and then click open. And on the bottom we got our options. So in the right corner we're clicking on the more and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant. And here scroll down and find general option. This one. And press here to turn on. Confirm operation. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.